Hey, do you want to grow your own fresh herbs at home? Let's go ahead and pot up our own herb and garden kit in under a minute. Let's get started. Our kit includes 3 herbs or 3 veggies, 3 terracotta pot, a soil scoop, and a bag of soil. Now you want to take your pot and put it on a flat surface. In this instance, we're using the Jomo potting mat. What we're going to do is you're going to take your soil scoop. You're going to get a little bit of soil. What you're wanting to do is just fill the bottom, just like that. You want it at the height where you want your herb to be. There you go, that's perfect. We're going to go back in for some more dirt. Nice potting mix. And you're just going to be dancing around the soil and then filling all that back up. It's okay if you make a mess. This is why we have a potting mat. You can smell the rosemary already. Okay. You just want to cover all the roots and give it a nice gentle pat. All right, that looks great. Okay, so for the next one, you want to take your saucer, put it under the pot. Time for water. You want to make sure you keep your herb garden kit nice and moist, not wet. Just make sure that the surface of the soil is moist at all times. And there we go. Repeat those steps for the other 2, and then you'll have 3 freshly potted herbs or veggies, and the only thing you have to do is put them in a bright sunny spot and watch them grow. If you haven't started your herb garden yet, why don't you check out our herb garden kit and grow with us at jomostudio.com.